वो बहुत स्मार्ट लगता है। He looks very smart. He looks very smart. कल मौसम बहुत अच्छा था। The weather was very nice yesterday. The weather was very nice yesterday. आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा? How was your day? How was your day? वो आज बहुत थका हुआ है। He is very tired today. He is very tired today. हमने बहुत मज़ा किया। We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. ये मेरी पसंदीदा जगह है। This is my favorite place. This is my favorite place. मेरे पास काफ़ी वक्त है। I have enough time. I have enough time. मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ खेल रहा हूँ। I am playing with my friend. I am playing with my friend. वो हमेशा सच बोलता है। He always speaks the truth. He always speaks the truth. मैं आज शाम को बाहर जा रहा हूँ। I am going outside this evening. I am going outside this evening.